Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture of the subject Modern Management Practices, we will be discussing the elements of TQM, that is Total Quality Management. See, before or prior to starting the actually elements of Total Quality Management, okay, let's revise what is TQM. See, the full form of TQM abbreviation is Total Quality Management. Okay. Now, whenever we think about Total Quality Management, what is Total Quality Management? See, ensuring quality into every activities of your organization itself is total quality management. See, total quality management, it describes a management approach. Yes, the management of that organization, it plans for its long term success. Okay, means in the near future, it plans for the success. Okay, and it ensures that the organization will always be on the endeavors of the success. ओके, म्हणजे काय होतं बघा टोटल क्वालिटी मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये. ओके, मॅनेजमेंटचं इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट असतं म्हणजे टॉप लेवल मॅनेजमेंटचं इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट असतं आणि ज्याच्या थ्रू लॉंग टर्म सक्सेस. ओके, म्हणजे येणाऱ्या फ्युचरमध्ये फक्त ओके सक्सेसच कसं आपलं ऑर्गनायझेशन फेस करेल किंवा सक्सेसच्याच पाथवरती कसं आपलं ऑर्गनायझेशन असेल यासाठी एफर्ट्स घेतले जातात. ओके, थ्रू कस्टमर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. ओके, सी द अल्टिमेट गोल इन दिस 21st century of any organization itself is customer satisfaction. Okay, what is customer satisfaction? See, whenever the customer consumes your product, okay, okay, after consuming the product, okay, whether their needs are satisfied, okay, by your product, okay, it results into satisfaction. Okay, if completely their needs are satisfied, then surely that customer will be satisfied, or it will be termed as customer satisfaction. Okay, but okay, if some of the needs of the customer are not matching to the features of your product, okay, if some of the needs of the customers are not matching the features of the product which you have offered, okay, surely it will be resulting into customer dissatisfaction. But okay, if you want to see your organization on successful background itself, okay, then what you should be doing? Yes, always you should, okay, be adding one thing into your organization, that is quality. Okay, in a TQM effort, all the members of an organization, they participate in improving processes, products, services, and the culture in which they work. Okay, see, whenever we think about TQM, that is total quality management effort taken by the organization, okay, 4 things are focused. Okay, which are the 4 things? Yes, they try to constantly improve the processes, okay, that is production process, distribution process, selling process, okay, whichever process is associated with your organization. Okay, then they try to improve products, okay, whatsoever products might be manufactured or delivered by your organization, all those products, okay, their improvement, okay, their upgradation, okay, is approved through and with TQM. Okay, then services. Okay, if your organization is service oriented organization, okay, you are offering some of the services through your organization, then how the service offered by our organization will be best itself. Okay, this is also ensured by TQM. Okay, then the culture. Okay, see, every organization, it does has a culture. Okay, every organization does has a culture. Okay, means work culture, is it, and some of the subcultures. Okay, now whenever you think that the organization goals should be achieved, okay, whenever you think that the organizational goals should be achieved, okay, at the time you should be focusing on the teamwork. Okay, you should always be focusing on teamwork. What is teamwork? See, with teamwork, what we understand? With teamwork, what we understand? We understand that, okay, each one from the organization, that is, each human resource which is included into the organization, they should be involved in such a way that okay, they will work efficiently and effectively towards organizational goal achievement. Okay, so this is all about TQM. So now let's start the elements of TQM, that is total quality management. See, total quality management, it does has certain elements, okay, means you focus on all these 8 principles or elements of total quality management whenever you will be adopting quality into your practices. Okay, first thing is customer focused. Okay, customer focus. See, nowadays in modern management, okay, see, customer is treated as a king of market. Okay, कस्टमरला किंग ऑफ मार्केट असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके, का म्हटलं जातं? बिकॉज if every processes which happen through your organization, if they start with this C and end with this C, then surely you will always be on the success grounds. Okay, if okay, बघा, जर तुम्ही C2C वरती फोकस केलं, C2C म्हणजे काय? ओके, सगळे तुमच्या बिझनेसेसचे जे प्रोसेस असतील किंवा ऑर्गनायझेशनचे जे सर्व तुमचे प्रोसेस असतील ते कस्टमर नीडपासून स्टार्ट होऊन, ओके, कस्टमर सॅटिस्फॅक्शनपर्यंत समजा, ओके, संपत असतील. ओके, इट शुड स्टार्ट ॲट कस्टमर नीड्स अँड इट शुड एंड ॲट कस्टमर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. हे C2C वरतीच जर तुमचं ऑर्गनायझेशन फोकस करणार असेल, ओके, शुअरली, ओके, जे सक्सेस म्हणतो आपण, ओके, ऑर्गनायझेशनचं सक्सेस असेल किंवा ऑर्गनायझेशनचे गोल अचिव्हमेंट असेल ते पॉसिबल होईल. ओके, ऑर एल्स इट विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल. ओके, गेटिंग इट? सो first principle or first elements toward TQM itself is customer focus. Means all your processes, all the processes as well as all the resources of your organization, that is both physical resources and human resources, जे सर्व resources तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनचे आहेत ते त्यांनी काय केलं पाहिजे? पहिल्यांदा कस्टमरचे नीड्स काय आहेत ते जाणून घेतलं पाहिजे. ओके, व्हॉट आर द नीड्स ऑफ द कस्टमर्स? Okay, what are the needs of the customers? Yes, you should be able to enlist it. And after that, what you are supposed to do? Yes, conduct all the steps. Okay, conduct all the steps in such a way, okay, conduct all the steps in such a way that it will ensure customer satisfaction. बघा, जर तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा प्रोडक्ट आयडिया सिलेक्ट करताना, ओके, जेव्हा तुम्ही तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनचं प्रोडक्ट काय असलं पाहिजे, ओके, त्याची आयडिया काय असली पाहिजे, ओके, कोणतं प्रोडक्ट आपण आपल्या मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग युनिट थ्रू प्रोड्यूस करायचं आहे, सेल करायचं आहे, हे जेव्हा तुम्ही विचार करता तेव्हा first thing what you should be doing, yes, you should be able to take or conduct a survey in the market. ओके, तुम्हाला मार्केटमध्ये सर्वे घेता आला पाहिजे. ओके, त्या सर्वे थ्रू काय करायचं आहे? येस, त्या सर्वे थ्रू काय करायचं आहे तुम्हाला? ओके, सर्वे घेतल्यानंतर, ओके, सर्वे घेतल्यानंतर what are the needs of the customer? You will understand it. Okay, what are the needs of the customer? You will understand it. Okay, and as per the need of the customer, if you manufacture a product, ओके, जसं कस्टमरची नीड्स असतील त्या नीड्सप्रमाणे समजा तुम्ही एखादा प्रोडक्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चर केलं, शुअरली इट विल बी युजर फ्रेंडली और इट विल बी डिमांडेड बाय द कस्टमर बिकॉज देअर नीड्स विल बी मेट बाय युअर प्रोडक्ट. Is it? By consuming your product, they will get equal amount of satisfaction. Is it? So, first element of TQM, that is total quality itself is customer focused. Okay, means all the activities which are conducted through TQM, okay, they start at customer need and end at customer satisfaction. Okay, so you should train your employees, okay, in this respect, that yes, we are supposed to focus on customer, and okay, customer expects quality. Okay, so what we should be doing? Yes, we should take more efforts to ensure quality into every step, every activity of our organization. Okay, then total involvement. Okay, total involvement, what is total employee involvement? See, the human resource or human element of your organization, it plays a very important role. Okay, the human element of your organization plays a very important role. Okay, why? See, if the human factor or human resource which is associated with your organization, if they don't work properly, will your production activity be completed? No, इट विल नॉट बी कम्प्लिटेड. ओके, बघा तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमधले जे ह्युमन रिसोर्सेस आहेत म्हणजे कोण, बघा आपण 5 M's ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट बघितलेले आहेत, बरोबर आहे. 5 असे वर्ड्स आहेत जे M या अल्फाबेटपासून स्टार्ट होतात, विच आर डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू मॅनेजमेंट और विच आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इन टू मॅनेजमेंट, बरोबर आहे. ओके, त्यातला फर्स्ट वर्ड कोणता होता? मेन. ओके, this men or human factor of your organization or human resource of your organization means who? कोण असतात ते? Yes, they are your laborers and employees. Okay, see, we know there is 2 classification of employees. Okay, we can classify employees into 2 parts. Which are the 2 parts? First is blue collar worker, second is white collar worker. Okay, who is blue collar worker? Blue collar worker means those workers who work in the factory or who directly come in contact with the machinery. Okay, and who are the white collar workers then? Yes, the office bearers are called as white collar workers. Okay, means those who work in offices, those employees, they are termed as white collar workers. So whenever we consider this blue collar workers as well as white collar workers, okay, whenever we consider blue collar worker as well as white collar worker, at the time, yes, see, whenever you are finalizing some of the decisions related to quality maintenance of your organization, of your product or service, whichever you will be delivering through your organization, what you should be doing? Yes, you should ask the suggestions of the employees. Okay, you should ask the suggestions of the employees. See, the employee, okay, finally the employee, he is also customer, right? He is also customer and he is stakeholder of your organization. So yes, he also thinks that my organization should always, okay, be facing profit. Okay, should always be having profit. Okay, should stay alive in the long run also. Okay, so what they will be doing? They will also suggest you something, right? Okay, which will surely help you to achieve all those things which you have planned for. So whenever we think about employees, yes, first what you should be doing? Yes, you should communicate your goals with them. Okay, you should communicate the goals of your organization to them, and after that what you should be doing? Yes, expect high performance from them. You can expect high performance from them. How? See, if you involve these people into decision making activity, ओके, समजा तुम्ही ह्या एम्प्लॉईजला डिसिजन मेकिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये समजा पार्टिसिपेट करून दिलं तर काय होईल बघा. येस, डिसिजन मेकिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये जर तुम्ही ह्यांना सामील करून घेतलं, ओके, तर आफ्टर अ ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टाईम, ओके, त्यांना रिअलाईज होईल की आपण हे डिसिजन मेकिंगमध्ये होतो, ह्या प्रोसेसमध्ये होतो, आपले सजेशन ह्यांनी वेलकम केलेलं आहेत, आपलीसुद्धा काहीतरी मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आहे. ओके, आपण आपला 100% डिवोशन दिलं पाहिजे. वी शुड वर्क इफेक्टिवली अँड इफिशियंटली. Okay, so the second element into total quality management is total employee involvement. Okay, third one is process centered. Okay, process centered. Okay, see which process. See, whenever we consider production activity, okay, whenever we consider production activity, what is production activity? Yes, conversion of input into output itself is production activity. बरोबर आहे. रॉ मटेरियल्स कोणाकडून तर आपण घेतो सप्लायर ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, ज्याला आपण क्रेडिटर असं म्हणतो. बरोबर आहे. वी परचेस रॉ मटेरियल फ्रॉम दिस पर्सन. ओके, अँड वी अंडरटेक activities. Okay, we use some technology. Okay, we use machineries, we use capital intensive technique or labor intensive technique, whichever is suitable for our organization's position, status. Okay, and by using this capital intensive technique or labor intensive technique, yes, we convert the raw materials into finished goods, that is the products of our organization. Okay, so whenever we are carrying this conversion process, okay, whenever we are carrying this conversion process, we should be very much careful. Why we should be careful? Yes, in every step you should involve quality. You should focus on quality. Okay, प्रत्येक स्टेप जो असेल तुमच्या प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेसमधला, ओके, प्रत्येक स्टेपमध्ये यू शुड बी केअरफुल इनफ दॅट यू विल गेट क्वालिटी अँड ओनली क्वालिटी इन टू इट. ओके, देन इंटिग्रेटेड सिस्टीम. ओके, इंटिग्रेटेड सिस्टीम. व्हॉट इज इंटिग्रेटेड सिस्टीम? सी, there are different functions and specialties into the organization, right? Okay, see, you find different departments into your organization. बरेचसे डिपार्टमेंट्स तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये असतात. मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट, फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट, ह्युमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट, इज इट production department, manufacturing department. Okay, such type of departments you do find into your organization. Okay, see, you should always make all these people realize, okay, that we are one and our teamwork will always ensure the organizational goal achievement. ओके, म्हणजे ह्या सर्व डिपार्टमेंट्सला तुम्ही कम्युनिकेट केलं पाहिजे ॲज अ टॉप लेवल ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट. काय कम्युनिकेट करायचं आहे की सिंगल हँडेडली आपण काम केलं तर काही अचीव होणार नाही. जर आपण टीमवर्कमध्ये सगळ्यांनी एकत्रित येऊन रिलेट करून एकमेकांचं काम रिलेट करून, ओके, लिंक करून जर काम केलं, शुअरली आपल्याला येस आपले गोल्स जे आहेत ऑर्गनायझेशनचे ते कलेक्टिवली अचीव करता येतील. ओके, सो इंटिग्रेटेड सिस्टीम मीन्स वॉट? येस, यू शुड लिंक every processes of each and every department associated with your organization. Okay, getting it? Then strategic and systematic approach. What is it? Yes, you should be able to draft a strategic plan. Okay, you should be able to draft a strategic plan. Strategic plan means what? Okay, a plan should be made in such a way. Okay, बघा, तुम्ही तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशन थ्रू असा प्लॅन क्रिएट करायचा आहे which will ensure at achievement of organizational goals. ओके, ऑर्गनायझेशनल गोल अचीव करता येतील अशा प्रकारे तुमचा प्लॅन तयार असला पाहिजे. ओके, अशा प्रकारे तुमचा प्लॅन तयार असला पाहिजे. ओके, कन्सिडरिंग द ऑर्गनायझेशन्स विजन, मिशन अँड गोल्स. ओके, सी, considering your organization's vision means, okay, in near future where your organization should be, okay, or where your organization seems to as per your plan. Okay, so considering this vision, then mission. Okay, mission, why you have, yes, why you have initiated your organization. Then goals. Okay, see, through your organization what you want to achieve. Okay, these three things, that is vision, mission, and third thing, goals. Okay, vision, mission, and goals, these three things. Okay, all these three things should be considered in such a way that you will ensure at, yes, organizational goal achievement and success. ओके, बघा, तुम्हाला असा प्लॅन तयार करायचा आहे. ओके, असा प्लॅन तयार करायचा आहे ज्याच्या थ्रू तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनचे सर्व मोटिव्ज जे असतील ते छान प्रकारे अचीव होतील. ओके, कळतं आहे? ओके, देन येस, you should be having a systematic approach. Okay, means whenever you are preparing some plans, okay, whenever you are preparing certain plans related to your organization, yes, you should draft a chronology. Okay, तुम्ही एक सिक्वेन्स ड्राफ्ट करायचं आहे ज्याच्या थ्रू तुम्हाला ते इझी पडेल. ओके, ते अचीव करणं इझी पडेल. ओके, कळतं आहे? Then continual approach. Okay, continual approach. What is continual approach? Yes, continual approach here means that, yes, see, TQM is not a one-time activity. टोटल क्वालिटी मॅनेजमेंट इज नॉट अ वन टाईम ॲक्टिव्हिटी. एकदाच करून बघायची अशी गोष्ट ती नाही आहे. ओके, ईच डे, each second, each minute, yes, your organization should always be having Kaizen. Okay, this word, Japanese word Kaizen, what it means? Kaizen means continuous improvement. Okay, if today you have achieved something, okay, tomorrow you should not stop. Tomorrow also you should strive harder to get something, strive harder to improve something. ओके, म्हणजे आज तुम्ही समजा एखादं इम्प्रूव्हमेंट तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये केलं आणि उद्या रिलॅक्स बसलाय, चालणार नाही. ओके, टुडे इफ यू आर इम्प्रूव्हिंग, टुमॉरो ऑल्सो यू शुड इम्प्रूव्ह, डे आफ्टर टुमॉरो ऑल्सो यू शुड बी हॅव्हिंग सर्टन प्लॅन टू इम्प्रूव्ह. इज इट? सो TQM or total quality management, it ensures continual process improvement. Okay, continuously you should be having plan into your mind. That plan should be, okay, the plan should be always considered only due to, yes, only in the meetings or the thorough decision making process which will be involving all the team members or the members of your organization. ओके, म्हणजे काय करायचं आहे बघा, whenever you are finalizing something which is related to your organization, related to improvement of your organization, yes, consider each and every person. प्रत्येक जणांचा विचार करा, सगळ्यांचे सजेशन्स घ्या आणि मगच काय करायचं आहे ते करा. ओके, बिकॉज कलेक्टिवली इफ एनी डिसिजन इज टेकन, इट विल शुअरली बी, येस, इट विल मेक यू कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह अँड इट विल मार्क युअर प्रेझेन्स इन द मार्केट. ओके, मार्केटमध्ये तुमचं प्रेझेन्स मार्क केला जाईल. ओके, देन fact-based decision making. Yes, in order to know how well an organization is performing, data on performance measures are necessary. Okay, see, if you are finalizing some of the decisions related to your organization, first thing is that, okay, you should be able to make timely decision. Okay, वेळेत निर्णय घेता तुम्हाला आला पाहिजे. दुसरी गोष्ट, ओके, the decision should be that accurate, okay, which will surely ensure success for your organization. Okay, decision making process करताना एक तर first thing you should involve all the people. Second thing, yes, without proper information, okay, without proper information, if you finalize some of the decisions, surely it will be harming or hurting performance of your organization. ओके, समजा तुम्ही काही डिसिजन्स असे फायनल केले, ओके, ज्याची इन्फॉर्मेशन काहीच नव्हती तुम्हाला, ओके, किंवा व्यवस्थित इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट न करता डिसिजन फायनल केला, ओके, काय होऊ शकतं, पुढे तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम होऊ शकतो, पुढे तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम होऊ शकतो. ओके, असं होऊ नये असं तुम्हाला वाटत असेल तर काय करायचं मग तुम्ही, येस, यू शुड ऑलवेज, येस, बी मेकिंग ॲक्युरसी or ensuring accuracy into the decision making process. Then communication. Okay, what is communication? Yes, everything whatsoever you might be doing into your organization, okay, into the day to day operation, okay, काहीही तुम्ही तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये जे करत असाल, काही तुम्ही तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये समजा करत असाल, ओके, यू शुड कम्युनिकेट इट विथ एव्हरी पर्सन हू सो वेर इज कन्सर्न विथ युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन. ओके, म्हणजे तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये समजा एखादी गोष्ट तुम्ही फायनलाइज करत असाल, एखादी गोष्ट तुम्ही समजा फायनलाइज करत असाल, ओके, मे बी इट माइट बी रिलेटेड टू डे टू डे ऑपरेशन, ओके, something related to employees, something related to customers or anything, okay, तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनशी रिलेटेड काहीही असू दे, ओके, यू शुड ऑलवेज बी कम्युनिकेटिंग दोज एसेन्शियल थिंग्स विथ द स्टेक होल्डर्स. ओके, तुमचे जे कन्सर्न पीपल आहेत, स्टेक होल्डर्स आहेत, हू डू हॅव इंटरेस्ट इन टू युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन, येस, यू शुड बी एबल टू कम्युनिकेट विथ देम, ओके, ऑर एल्स व्हॉट विल हॅपन, येस, okay, if you don't communicate them and finalize some of the decisions, okay, it might be fatal for your organization's performance. So these are the 8 elements of TQM, that is total quality management. With this we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.